Welcome to San Andreas, Colombia, my friends. Welcome to the beach. Wow, what can I say? A quick pit stop right before going to see Cartagena. A quick pit stop after seeing Medellin, Colombia. I can't deny this place, man. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. And it was an easy spot to come to because it's actually part of Colombia. Even though it's off the coast of Nicaragua in Central America, we had a little bit more of an overcast day today, but out there we got a shipwreck, and I'm at Rocky Cay right now. I was able to get a sweet spot here for about $40 a night, and I'm just living that Caribbean life. It's super chill, super tranquil. The water, the ocean is amazingly blue and beautiful. And one thing I'm happy to say is there's not that many people trying to peddle you stuff on the beach like you might get in Mexico and some of these other places. Very chill vibe, very Rastafari type of land, my friend. And I'm gonna go grab some food right now, but I just wanted to let you know where I'm at. Unfortunately, I came down with a little bit of a runny nose. So I'm gonna try and clean that up. My Airbnb host said there's a little medicine I can pick up, but I just let the good old body heal itself. Should be better in a couple of days. After this, I'm gonna see a couple more spots in Colombia, Cartagena, Santa Marta, Palomino, and even Bogota before I take off to Rio de Janeiro, Brazil next month, February, for the famous Carnival Festival, which is absolutely insane. Might be a little too busy down there for me, we'll see, but it's gonna be over my birthday weekend. And yeah, it's going to be pretty intense. Got a lot of travel content coming your way, but also if you're interested in learning how to build a life where you can start traveling the world and make money from nothing but your computer and a Wi-Fi signal, you guys know what to do. Click the description of this video. I got my Instagram there. Send me a DM. I'll get on a call with you once I'm all healed up, of course. And you can even look into my courses, guys. I teach you how to do this. These courses have brought many people to build a life where they can fire their boss and live life on their own terms. So I hope that can be you as well. Until next time, until further notice, you guys know where to find me. Subscribe, smash the likes up. We'll tap in with you soon. Peace.
If you're thinking about running an online business, there's one investment you need to make, and it's saved me a ton of headaches as I've ran into a lot of different scams and weird things in the past. What I got for literally $2 a month is a VPN. I use Surfshark and it hides my computer's IP address. And this is so important whether you're building an online Amazon business, especially in cryptocurrency, even to buy different crypto on other exchanges that aren't available in the United States. I've been able to change my IP address on my computer to mimic to look like I'm in Finland or something like that. And I can actually gain access to these other crypto exchanges. You can also even log in and watch movies that aren't available in certain countries. If you live around the world and you're trying to watch something in the US, you can turn on the VPN so that you're in the United States. I can't stress how important it is to get a VPN. And if you've watched any other YouTube videos, you've probably seen people promoting VPNs because they're that crucial to your safety and online presence. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're looking to take some next steps and actually get started building your own Amazon business, I recommend checking the link below to get my full Amazon course. I will have a free mini course down there with only 9 videos giving you the basics, but the full course is literally 9 hours long. It covers every little bit that you need to know. It's broken down into bite-sized videos that are easy to digest, and it also comes with my mentorship where we can jump on Zoom calls where I can help you find and source your products so that the chance of success you have out the gate is so much higher than if you've tried this on your own. There's a lot of other courses out there, but these guys don't give you the real mentorship. I guarantee and stand by my reputation to give you the best help I possibly can, and that's how my word gets spread around organically through referrals, and I just want to make you part of the team and make you my next success story. Thanks so much, and we'll see you in the next video.